In this video, you are going to see this Motorola Edge 60 Fusion mobile gaming test. I'm going to play these 6 games in total for about 1 hour. Let's see how this mobile handles these games and are there any lags, frame drops and heating issues. Right now the battery is at 74% and the brightness is set to 50%. I connected to the Wi-Fi for a stable network. You can also observe the timer for transparency. The first game I'm playing is Genshin Impact. This is a heavy graphic oriented game that pushes and tests the performance of the processor. This Moto Edge 60 Fusion comes with a Dimensity 7400 processor. This is a 4nm chip, so I'm expecting a pretty good balance of battery backup and performance. I'm fast forwarding all the games in this video, and after playing that game I shared the results and any other things I noticed. After 10 minutes of Genshin Impact gameplay, the battery is 72%. I checked the ambient temperature, it's 30.5 degrees Celsius. Also, during this entire gameplay, I didn't notice any overheating issues. The game is playable and I didn't notice any frame drops either. The maximum temperature on the display side is 38 degrees Celsius and on the back it's 36.8 degrees Celsius. The next game I'm playing is PUBG. The variant I'm using is 256GB internal storage and 12GB of RAM. This Moto Edge 60 Fusion is available for under 20,000 rupees if you apply the offers right now. Right now, if you are going to buy this mobile on Flipkart, it's still showing coming soon. I don't know when they are coming. After some more minutes of playing the PUBG game, the battery is at 70%. In this game also, I didn't notice any frame drops and heating issues. The maximum temperature on the display side is 37.3 degrees Celsius. And on the back it's 36.6 degrees Celsius. The next game I'm playing is Shadow Fight 4. Surprisingly, I thought the temperatures would easily cross 40 degrees, but it didn't happen till now. Let's wait and check after the final game. After some more minutes of playing the Shadow Fight 4 game, the battery is at 68%. In this game, I noticed some frame drops but no major heating issues. The maximum temperature on the display side is 37.3 degrees Celsius and on the back it's 36.2 degrees Celsius. The next game I'm playing is Grid Auto Sport Custom Edition. I actually played this before doing this test and at that time it opened and ran smoothly, but now it's not opening. I tried multiple times but it didn't. So I changed my mind to play the next 2 games for more time. The next game I'm playing is Call of Duty. I checked online whether this mobile has a cooling chamber or not, but on the official site they didn't mention it. Even on the Flipkart specs they didn't mention it. But AI is saying that it has a vapor cooling chamber. I think it has a cooling system. Tell me if I'm wrong in the comment section if you know this information correctly. After some more minutes of playing the Call of Duty game, the battery is at 66%. In this game, I noticed some frame drops but no major heating issues. The maximum temperature on the display side is 37.8 degrees Celsius and on the back it's 36.6 degrees Celsius. Up to now, everything is going good. Let's play the final game in our list and check after that. The next game I'm playing is Modern Warships. This is the first time I'm playing this game in the gaming test videos. You can share the heavy graphically oriented games to play in the next upcoming gaming reviews. I want you to share the games that pushes the processor limits to its maximum. After some more minutes of playing the Modern Warships game, the battery is at 63%. In this game, I didn't notice any frame drops or major heating issues. The maximum temperature on the display side is 37.3 degrees Celsius and on the back it's 36 degrees Celsius. I'm totally surprised by the performance, battery and temperatures. First, I talk about the performance. The performance is good. No major overheating issues I noticed. Yes, some warm feeling is there on the display side and on the back side, but it's bearable. I can easily hold it in my hand and play for a longer time. Also, I noticed some frame drops while playing heavy games, which is acceptable as it is not continuous. Next, talking about the battery, during the start of this test it's 74% and now it's 63%. You can observe the differences here for 1 hour of continuous gaming. This is pretty good. Next thing, the temperatures. I was totally shocked. I thought this mobile could easily cross 40 degrees Celsius during any of the gaming in this 1 hour mark. But it didn't. The maximum temperature it reached in my gaming test is 38 degrees Celsius, which is so impressive. Overall, this Motorola Edge 60 Fusion can handle any games without major issues and overheating problems. That's my gaming test of this mobile phone. See you again in the next video. Thanks for watching and take care.